I just thought I'd give you guys a quick room tour of the Iberostar Coral Level. Beautiful place here. I'm in room, what is it now? 15101. Let's just have a look around. Air conditioning works really well in here. So as usual, every room has a nice safe, nice closet area. But what's really nice about this place, great bathroom. And an outside shower. Can't complain here. Just for everybody to know, this is only available in the junior suite. You have to pay a little bit extra for these rooms. There's about 10 of them, more or less. They're only on the ground level. But you get the outside shower and a small little seating area here as well. It's a nice little bonus. Let's go for a quick little walk around here. Small bathroom, doesn't have a bidet. Jacuzzi tub, works good. Spacious bathroom. The junior suites come with a king-size bed. TV that I've never used. The fridge located in here and has a direct area here, small little patio, and a little sofa bed that you can sit on out there. The restaurants here, really good food. We had lobster every day, which is really surprising. Champagne for breakfast. If you wanted it, you could have it. What else can I say? Everything in the Coral Level laid out really well. Could it be better? Not really. It's pretty much says what it is here. Would I recommend it to other people? Absolutely. I've been to a lot of hotels here in the Guarlavac area in Holguin, and I got to admit, this is one of the better ones for sure. You can't go wrong. The regular selection area down south here in the, or up north actually, north of the Coral Level, is really good as well. Doesn't allow children, but other than that, the service was pretty good down there as well. Food, not quite as good. The beer was different down there than up here. Coffee, definitely not as good. So if you love your coffee, stay here at the Coral Level. Don't go down to the selection. Other than that, the bar, it's a bit strange here. The Coral Level has 2 bars, actually 3, but the one bar sort of has 2 separate areas, and there's never service in the lobby reception area. There's only service on the outside, so you have to walk outside to get service for a beer. It's a bit strange, but I guess it works. What else can I say? If you want excursions, you have to go to the selection area to talk to your Sunwing representative. The representatives don't come up here. They only stay down at the other area, which I guess is fine. It's a really short walk anyways. We didn't go to, or I didn't go to any of the a la carte restaurants. I went and checked out their menus. Their menus were terrible compared to the Coral Level a la carte, which is available to Coral Level members only. It was a night and day difference actually. There was never any reason to go to the other area when everything was here, and everything here is better. So don't expect the a la cartes to be anything special unless you want something different. Then it's good. As you all know, the beach area here is very small. The Coral Level is supposed to have a private beach. It didn't. It was for everybody, which is fine. It should be for everybody anyways. But if you wanted a good beach, you would go to the Pesquero beach, which is about a 5-minute walk. But you could have a free ride if you wanted to. Just ask one of the butlers to give you a car ride down there, and it's across a bridge. I can throw a picture up here in a second. And yeah, it's really quick. It's really short. But a lot of people here at the Coral section don't seem to go to the beach anyways, because you've got a fantastic pool here. It's never crowded. The pool is so big that you never have a problem with space. The service, pretty good as a whole. It really depends on the person. Sometimes you get better service than other times, which is to be expected. But all in all, it was pretty good. I have to admit, the bar at the pool was a lot better service than the bar at the lobby reception. Once again, it all depends on who you get, when you get them. Some people are really, really good workers, others aren't. The grounds here kept really well. They keep on top of keeping the grass cut. The shrubs are all well kept. Everything is really, really well. Chambermaids do a fantastic job in the rooms every day, perfectly clean. Coral Level members are also allowed a late checkout, which is really nice. My checkout was 4 o'clock today, so they allowed me an extra 5 hours actually, because, well, one, our plane is really late, and where else can we go? So they allowed us, everybody in the Coral Level section, to have an extra 5 hours. So that's, once again, excellent service. You get what you pay for. That's the bottom line. Would I recommend it? Like I said, absolutely. There's other hotels that are equal. This one has its benefits. Out of all the hotels I've been to, I would say this one has the best food overall. Why do I say that? Lobster and champagne every day. I've never had that at other places. The selection was really good. Your breakfast and lunch are both buffets. Only the dinner is a la carte. And during the dinner, you are expected to wear pants. Men only, of course, are expected to wear pants. But that could be expected. That should be expected at any a la carte restaurant. So, yes, bring nice clothing. Most people are very well dressed in the a la carte restaurant at night. Breakfast is 7:30 to 10 approximately. Lunch is 12:30 to 2:30 roughly, and supper 6:30 till 9 roughly. I never really spent all my time in the restaurants, of course. The snack bar is open, they say 24 hours, but it wasn't for me when I needed to have something early one morning. They said normally you should expect to pre-order something and they'll have it ready for you. But then we were informed that the other section of the hotel had a 24-hour service. So I just walked down there and grabbed, what was it, a ham and cheese sandwich toasted, which was really, really good. So once again, the hotel has everything that you need, everything to offer. So definitely, if you haven't been to the Coral Level, check it out. It is worth it, absolutely. Come for a week, maybe 2 weeks, go for a few excursions, take a dip in the pool. It's really, really good. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helps people in their future trips to Cuba. And thanks for watching.